I never expected to become a narrator.
This is the bonus question.
I never really speak nor recited in class.
Para. What's the unit of para? Para is used for what? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone other than you people? You, Mr. Ragwal. What's Farad?
I'm sure Farad is simply the electric capacitance.
That ends our class now.
Yes!
Goodbye.
Yes! Wait! What?
Sit down. Shall I pick? I was assigned to pick contestant for oration by our SAC engineer Stella Gaspar. Who is this guy? This is the
But Jeff was the best in class.
number of
Ano ba yung pesa? Ito lang, sir. Ang dali naman. Education. Next time. Carefully below next time. Yun pa pala yung please. Ayun, ano sa akin? Ay, boy! Kaya ka naman, friend.
Tay, nandito na po ko. Ano po, Tay?
Kumusta naman ang araw mo sa eskwela, anak?
Mabuti po, Tay.
Mabuti naman. Sige, pumasok ka na. Mag-base ka na pagkatapos ng exam.
Sige po, Tay. Mauna na po ako. I'm not sounding pessimistic. Neither do I intend to scare you. But I'm sure you...
Ang galing naman ng anak kong mag-invest.
Ay, andyan pala kayo, Tay. Hindi po, Tay. Kayo naman po.
Anong hindi? Ang galing mo, anak. Para saan ba yan?
Ay, piece po ng oration po yun, Tay.
Sasali sa oration ng anak ko.
Hindi po, Tay. Si Jan po ang napili dyan.
Anak, sinabi mo na ba sa professor mo na gusto mong sumali sa competition?
Hindi po.
Anak, kung may gusto kang isang bagay, dapat ipaglaban. Kung talagang gusto mong sumali sa competition, dapat sabihin mo sa professor.
Salamat po, Tay. My father was right.
Yes! Where's Jeff? What do you mean he's not here? She is nowhere in the college. Where is it? Where have you been, Jeff?
I've been in class with engineers and at the sport.
What now? Have you memorized this? This?
Of course. Not
Set the ball.
These actions not be carried safely. And so, moving slowly upward in methodology, the significant competencies has been on continuous decline. Thus, no way the reading.
No! It's not how it goes. Like this. Sit down. Okay. Education has not been carried in its way. And so, moving slowly without modern methodologies. Consequently, competencies have been on the continuous decline. Thus, there is no way What's happening? What are you doing? Come here!
Oh, saan mo pala balak kumain mamaya?
Hindi ko alam.
Ano ba? Mansarin natin ngayon. Ba't ka ganyan?
Kasi ako, parang naalala ko ng performance mo.
Performance na naman. Performance na naman. Don't you believe in me? I have the talent, okay? I don't need any practice. Ano hindi naman? You're always doubting my capabilities. Parati ka na lang ganyan. Wala kang tiwala sa akin. Ano, parati na lang ba tayong ganito? Nag-aaway ng dahil sa practice? Alalahanin mo, hindi ka ang mentor ko. Girlfriend lang.
Oo nga pala, no? Girlfriend ko lang pala ako. Girlfriend lang.
What are you?
Sir, how are you?
Sure.
Why, sir?
Apparently, my hope for a gold medal in the racial competition is just went away for unexplainable reasons whatsoever. I don't know what or who shall I be sending.
Sir, I suggest Venice.
Venice.
You're a student of economics. Sir, she's good.
Good.
Good enough. Sure.
Well, there's nothing more to do. Call the friend. It's very comfortable.
Yes, sir, thank you so much. Venice! Oh, Kim, bakit? May sasabihin ako sa'yo. Ano yun, friend? Basta. Ano nga yun? Basta nga. Andito na si Yamyam? Sino yun? Yun nga sa ina kapatid, anak. Hindi yun sasabihin ko sa'yo. Eh, ano nga? Alam mo, ikaw yung kinuha ni Sir na makisali sa oration sa English Festival. Ano? Bukas na yun. Alam ko, kaya mo naman yun. Hindi ko kaya, friend. Hindi, kaya mo yun. Friend naman eh. Hindi, sinabi ko kay Sir. Halika na mag-practice yan tayo. Talaga? Hindi ko na kaya. Buddy, tulungan naman ako tutulungan ka. Ito lang pala. Yan. Lahat to? Oo. Alam ko naman kaya mo yung meeting mo. Sige nga. Pakinggan mo nga ako kung talagang kaya. Sige. Oo. Hindi ko sa'yo ako. Okay. Uy, tignan mo Oo! Education has not been carrying its weight. And so, moving slowly, without more than Matilda's. Kim! What? Fran, ang galing-galing mo talaga! Wala ka pa kalibra sa'yo! Fran, hindi! Basta pag mo na nakakahibra mo na ako. Ang galing mo talaga, Fran! Salamat! Fran! Galing mo talaga, Fran! Mag-practice ka pa! Dali! Ikaw kayo na-press niya. Sige. Education.
Bro, there's nothing wrong with what you did.
Bro. She's a useless woman.
That's true.
Wala man lang siyang utang na loob. Isipin mo, mas importante pa ang practice than our mansory.
Oh, that's true.
Ang dali-dali lang niyang palitan. Ang daming babae nagkakandara pa sa akin dyan.
That's true.
And besides, hindi naman siya sexy. Ang taba-taba. wala man lang. She will regret this. Alam mo pare, that's true.
Jeff, gising! Gising! May kinuha sa sir na kapalit mo. Ano? Magsisimula na yung kompetisyon.
Uy! Let's go lang yun! Gising na! Bisan mo!
Bagal, bilis!
Has not been carrying its weight and move on slowly without outmoded methodologies. Learning English beyond the classroom. And may I add a quote from Nelson Mandela that education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. To each and everyone in class, thank you.
I won the competition fair and square, but Jeff can't accept the fact that I won.
Alam mo naman, ikaw yung nagdugyok sa akin, no? Makisali.
Kapal din naman ng mukha mo, no? You have no right to join my contest. Besides, wala kang talent. Kapal din naman ng mukha mo, no? Para gawin yung posisyon ko.
Tumigil ka! Tawayan mo na lang siya, Shine.
Shut up. Hindi kang pinakausap ko. Sige, answer me. Ano kala mo sa sarili mo? Magaling ka? Diswerte ka na. Wala pa rin makakatalo sa akin. Kasi ako lang ang pinakamagaling sa campus. And tatandaan mo.
Stop it, Jeff! Kung gusto mo sanang sumali, dapat pinahalagahan mo ang pagkakataon na ito. Pero hindi, Jeff! Sinayang mo! Sinayang mo lang! I've waited for this for so long. Kaya, Jeff, step aside because it's my time to shine. Friend, wait lang! Oops! And that's the story of my life. Diyan nagsimula ang pagtuturo ko ng personal development. Kaya kayo, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Ayaw pa pala! Shane, ikaw ang napili kong makikipag-oration sa atin, ha?
No problem, ma'am. I'm very confident in myself. Also with my friends. I'm very confident in them also.
Tama yan, Shane. Sige, uwi na tayo.
Di ba ko? Excuse me!